Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called GetUpside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for GetUpside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. I know I got a haircut, looking all good, nice and fancy. I know it's super dark in here. I'm in my bedroom right now. Bedroom tour check. There's my bed, there's my room. So today we have some breaking news, guys. Lyft and Uber's back up in action. Lyft and Uber finally, praise the glorious cyber Uber and Lyft gods out there. Rides are back up. Rides are back up. Stocks prices are going up. Well, I think they're going down too, but you know, who can predict stocks? But ever since coronavirus started, I mean, guys, out there right now, it's crazy. People are hanging out at restaurants. Bars are open again, dude. What? And schools are actually going to be back in session in the fall, so that's pretty crazy. I can't believe, yeah, actual universities are meeting up in person for classes. And people are going out to bars again. So I take back what I said earlier. Well, I mean, I predicted that it was gonna be slow for about a year or so, but it's not. Uber and Lyft is gonna be back in action sooner than you'll know it. It's already going. I'm gonna start driving for Uber, I think, next week. Maybe 2 weeks. Honestly, I might even go out this week. I want to go out. I miss it. I really do. I'm just going to wear a mask, go out, and you know, I think pretty soon they're going to say, heck to the masks. You don't need to wear a mask. I think the hubs will reopen soon. I mean, it's already almost phase 3. Phase 3, I think at that point, the hubs will reopen. I just went to the freaking salon today, guys. Yes, I tried to go to a barber shop, and usually they cut it really short. But today I went to a salon. Spent 45 bucks on a freaking haircut, and I left a $20 tip, so it was actually 65 bucks. But I wanted to keep it long, and she said I could go back if I wanted her to cut it more. So I think I might actually low-key get the sides a little trimmed a little tiny bit more. Regardless, let's let's talk about Let's talk about the traffic being up. Let's see what Uber has to say. Here we go, guys. So Uber back up traffic. Let's see. I received traffic. Not trafficking. Uber rides busy again. I think the Uber CEO said something about that. Is Uber business picking up again? That was from Uber people. Low-key, I don't really talk about that, but let's see, Uber stock price. I think the Uber stock price went up low-key, and that's when I think, so let's take a look at the stock price. Let's say over the past year. So yeah, it's going back up, low-key. Low-key, look at that progression, guys. That's pretty nutso, pretty nutso. Let's just go really quick to Uber news. I'll just type in like Uber rides. Uber ride-hailing recovery comes slowly with business down. Down? Uber ride-hailing recovery? Well, I think it was down like 90% either, though. Uber says rides down 70%, but Uber's still going. Uber CEO actually sold his stock. Oh, Expedia stock. Uber ride-hailing business shows recovery in May. Here we go. Let's take a Yahoo. Uber's ride-hailing business shows recovery in May. Food delivery, so the 70% down, I think before it used to be like 90% down. So it's not like 100% normal, but you guys see what I'm saying. Look at this, guys. Uber is seeing its business slowly recovering from hits earlier this year due to the novel coronavirus lockdowns. CEO said in a conference call with Bank of America analysts. Why was Uber talking to freaking Bank of America? That's what I want to know. I would love to be a fly in the wall. I would love to be a fly on the wall, not in the wall. Because if I was in the wall, then I probably couldn't breathe. And that would be really lonely, being inside of a wall. But I would love to be a fly on the wall. When Uber CEO was talking to the Bank of America, I would have been like, you know what? Throw some cash to the drivers, because we're the ones who actually work hard. Here we go, let's continue reading. Uber CEO told BofA analysts that ride numbers are improving every week, and in Hong Kong, rides have recovered more than 80% from lows reached in the previous months due to the coronavirus. According to Koshihari, the company's food delivery business, Uber Eats, continue to see growth in business, blah, 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 blah. Oh, Koshihari said the total rides in May were down 70% compared to the similar month a year ago. Oh, same. This is an improvement over April, where the San Francisco being down 80% year on year. Yeah, so, oh, okay. So it was 80%, then 70%, and I'm assuming it's going 60, 50, 40. Why does it matter? The coronavirus pandemic brought operations of ride-hailing companies down, which have already been struggling to make progress to a near halt as authorities across the United States lifted lockdowns put in place to curb the spread of the virus. The business was expected to see a slow rebound. Lyft on Tuesday reported rides on its platform increased 26% compared to the previous month, but remained 70% lower year on year. So year on year basically means that this time 1 year ago, you know, let's say they gave 1 million rides on that day. Right now they only gave 300,000. Still 300,000 rides. It's pretty good. I think once the lockdown started, it was more like 1 million to like, I don't know, 50,000 rides. Which is still a lot of rides, but you know what I'm saying. That's all I have for you today's video, guys. We're back in business. Go out and start driving for Uber again. You can make some good money. Use GetUpside, link down below. 15 cents off per gallon. If you're still paying full price for gas, you're missing out. Use it, use it, use it. Thanks all for watching. Have a good day, guys. Bye.